There you are.
I was under the table.
I was under the table. I didn't know where you was. Okay, so far we've been building with the Lego Classic.
Yeah. We got the dog already and this.
442 pieces. Let's get the box down and show them again if they did not see the first two videos. Here's the classic box set that we've been using. We've built two things out of it so far. Milo's been building. I just give him the pieces.
It's the dog and the ice cream stand.
Dog and ice cream stand.
We're doing get in order.
In this box, it comes with all these pieces that we've already put out here and that we've built.
We already opened the box.
That we've built
on the first one.
In the box has all of the parts and pieces that you need to build with, but then it also comes with a book that gives you ideas of what to build.
Yeah, book.
And so far, we use this book to build a dog on a skateboard and ice cream stand, right?
Yeah.
And what we're going to do...
And I took off one ice cream. It's
not real ice cream.
I know.
We know. Okay, so what we're going to do now, in this book it shows several different things to build. It also gives a chart that shows easy, medium, and difficult building levels.
Yeah, it's difficulty for difficult.
This was the easiest one. The ice cream is the easiest.
Yeah.
The dog was medium. We're going to do the motorcycle now because, well, we think the motorcycle's cool. But also, it has the most difficult level. And we want to see how difficult it is from the easiest to the most difficult. So we'll show you. Yeah. And we're going to leave these two things that you can't see. These two things put together to see if we need to take apart any of them or if we can still build it with all of these pieces. So why don't you put the ice cream back and we'll start building
I'll just put it on the dog.
You can put the ice cream on the dog. The ice cream fits on the dog's tail.
I know because see, this is the same part as the dog's tail. You can look on both here. See, it's not the same build. We cannot take apart the dog on that piece and put it on here. But we did not, not two pieces. Because we needed two pieces. This piece and one inside of here. It's right here.
Hey, Milo.
Huh?
You know what we didn't do?
What?
We didn't look through this book all the way. The motorcycle is not in the book.
Oh.
So, you know what else is in the book?
What?
This old car. So we're going to build... an old car. It's also a difficult build, the most difficult build. So we'll see what that is. Okay? So, no motorcycle, but a cool old car. So, yes. Okay. That's the first piece for the old car. So, here you go. I'll give it to you. Alright. So, the next one
If you haven't seen the first video, I told everyone that was watching this video that this piece was not in the back. It was already out.
It's already out?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, we're going to need it for one of the builds. Okay.
That, and then he's going to put the other two pieces on.
And this is what the bottom should look like.
Yeah. All right. So go ahead and put that on. I'm going to find the next piece of these red ones.
There they are.
These.
Like I told everyone in the other two videos, my dad, well, this guy is my dad. That's it.
There you go. We'll put that one on. Let's scoop some of these pieces on so you can...
Okay, I'll put it on.
Did you get the black pieces on? Oh, you did. Good job. Alright. Put those red pieces on. Let's go to step number 4.
Yeah. We're already on step 4, like, in a second. Like, 1 second.
Oh my goodness, it's so fast. We have these two pieces that go on step 4. They're the slanted pieces. They go onto the sides. See the way they face? So this one does already seem a little bit difficult, a little more difficult than the other ones. But it's nothing you can't handle.
Yeah.
You're doing a good job. Alright. So put that one facing the same direction. And then let's look on the next piece. There's a flat black piece.
Yeah. This is what it's supposed to look now.
Yep.
And the bottom, a little different, I think. Right. And this is what it's supposed to look like there.
There you go. Next piece.
Oh.
Just put that. And then
we'll just put that piece right here.
we have 4 of these little red pieces that only have 2 notches on them. Let's see, we got 1 and 2, 3, and 4. Do you know where those go?
Yeah.
Can I go to the next page?
Hold on.
Okay.
This is what it looks like on the top, and it should look like the same on the bottom still. Oh, this is where it gets a little bit harder.
There's this piece that goes on next.
Yeah.
It's a pretty cool looking piece.
Yeah.
And then there's a black piece.
And I don't know where this piece goes.
Okay, it will go right here. Right like that. Yep.
Yeah.
Just like that. Yep. Now there's a black piece that it's kind of rounded. Look at this.
It is.
There it
I
is.
sometimes get it up closer.
You can get up a little closer. Okay, it goes right here.
At the very top?
No.
In the middle?
No.
At the bottom?
Yes. Yes, sir.
This is what it should look like now. This is like the inside, I think. It looks, I think this is one of the seats on the inside.
Okay.
Now to the,
There's these 2 rounded red pieces
yeah.
that need to go right here. So those pieces are going to go right there.
Oh.
Okay.
Like this.
And then we'll go on the sides.
And then where do I put this?
On the right behind.
Huh.
All right. Now these.
The motors are on the bottom up here. You can't really see it.
Yeah. All right. So those 2 go right out here. So. Okay.
Huh.
Okay. You do that on the other side.
Hold on. Now this is the top of what it should look like. Oh, I think.
Oh.
Yeah, and we got this piece on the floor. I don't think I showed you. And here's the whole entire car so far.
Here's your next pieces. There's 2 of them I'm holding. They go on the front.
And we already got one on here.
They go up and down, so they're right there.
Okay.
Yeah.
We already got one of these pieces on here. It's actually under this one piece.
I
already showed you.
We're going to step 10
Yeah,
out
10.
of 13. So there's
I know.
only 3 steps left. Okay, so this is kind of a strange little piece. All right, step number 10.
I know, there's an
Strange
eyeball.
little piece, a little thing that goes onto it.
Yeah, it's an eyeball.
No, it's not an eyeball.
What?
It's what you call the Lego money. It's a
Yes.
little small piece. But we gotta find the little black piece that goes on, or gray piece that goes on first. Those are the headlights for the car.
I don't know.
They're gonna go right there. You see? Right there.
Okay.
Right in front. Okay, next we're gonna find these clear ones, which I have everywhere. I need 3 of them. 1, 2, and
Right here.
yes. Yep. And then we have
This is the front of where you should do it. And see?
makes the headlights. We're getting a car. Almost got a car. Look, we got
Yeah.
some clear pieces that we're doing next. Okay?
Yeah. We got
So we
some
got
different.
3 of those clear pieces.
Yeah.
They will go.
I already have some in my other
Okay,
Lego
yeah.
box over there.
All right. So those will go on there, and I need to find these other black pieces that have a round and then a flat. Aha! Found them.
Where do I put these?
Okay. So those are the clear ones. They go across right here. So 2 of those go across here.
Oh, I see where one
And
goes.
right there.
I know where one goes. Don't tell me.
I
Don't
won't
tell
tell
me.
you, I won't tell
I know. Yeah?
No.
Yeah?
Right here in the back.
Oh,
Right in the middle. In the back.
okay.
There you
And it's not going one way.
go.
Stop.
It should. And then we got these black pieces on next to it. They go right there.
Okay.
Right there, right there. We're almost done. We're on step 11. We're finishing at step 11.
Right
And we
here?
go- No. Like this. You gotta spin this around like this.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Alright. Next
Oh,
step.
it's the seat. See?
Well, I think no, that's going to be the roof actually.
How do you know?
Next we attach this.
Oh, right here.
Yep. And then
So that's like the back, kind of.
we're going to find the wheels. These thin wheels here. We got all kinds of wheels. There's also these big chunky ones.
I know. We don't need we don't need a lot of wheels. We only need, I think, about 4 wheels.
I have them right here. Okay, but before you can attach those, we have to get 4 of these red circles.
We got a medium chunky one.
There you go. I got 3 red circles. I need another one. There it is. Okay, so now the
I have
wheels.
to put the red circles on the inside of the wheels. You do 2, I do 2.
Okay, sounds like good teamwork to me.
Teamwork.
So we've put together our wheels. If you need help, let me know. I won't do any more. I'll just show them the wheels after you put them together. And then once these go together, then they go on there.
Teamwork. Let's just our secret teamwork. And
all right, hurry up and put those on there, and
then
we'll finish this up.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. All right, so let's show the card here. This is the final
here's
card.
the card. Now stay tuned.
Here.
Right now.
That's it. Let's show.
Now let's.
We have the car that we built,
And this.
ice cream,
this.
and the doggy.
Yeah.
And we didn't have to take any of it apart.
Yeah. And now you can watch the special thing.
There you go.
Come on.
Have fun.
You're not gonna get it. Hey, get back here! I need some ice cream. The dog gets the ice cream. It's pretty funny. Well, not yet. But the dog will have something kind of funny. The dog has the ice cream on its tail. Now I get 3 scoops. Make that 4 scoops. I destroyed it. Oh, I have to go over here. Now I have ice cream on my car. Oh. And that is all for today. Bye. See you on the next video.